Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube. So this is a full guide on selling Amazon products on YouTube. So first thing that we should do is to open any of our web browser and then we have to log into our Amazon account. Now right here, we have to look for the trending Amazon products so that we are going to sell it on YouTube. So what we're going to do is to simply click on the today's deals option. So when we go here, we would be able to see here all of the trending products as of the moment. And then we also have here different deals. So we have 25% off, 47% off. So we just have to look for the product that we think is relevant as of the moment. For example, headphone, headset, or earbuds, that would do. So I'm just going to show you this product. Okay, so we're going to leave this product for now. So once we have found our products, next thing that we should do is to make a viral YouTube short. Okay, so I'm going to show you here. So we are going to use the CapCut application. So you just have to download it on your Play Store or App Store, and then just have to open it, and then you just have to click on the new project option, and then just have to select the videos that we are going to edit. So right here, we just have to delete this thumbnail first, so the last video. And right here, we are going to remove the audio of our video. Okay, so you just have to click on it and go to the volume section. And then you just have to remove the audio. Okay, now you just have to click on the check mark, and then right here, we are going to add an animation for each of the clip that we have added. So just have to click on that specific clip, then go to the animation section, and then for the in section, we are going to use fade in. So it will depends on you, okay? So but for this one, I'm going to use fade in. Okay, and then next for the out animation, I am going to use a different one, or maybe fade out would do. And if you would like to use the pro animations, you just have to subscribe for a pro plan. Okay, so I'm just going to use the fade in and fade out, and then let's try it. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. So after this one, so we can zoom in the clip as well if we want to. Okay, and then for the next one, so right here, just going to add an animation for this clip as well. So let's go to the animation section, and maybe I'm going to use the fade in for the in animation. Okay, or out. So it's up to you. So you just have to explore the different animation on CapCut. Okay, and then of course, we can also add effects for each clip. Okay, so let me just resize this one and then test it out. Okay, so I think this one is better. So next thing that we should do here is to adjust the speed. Okay, so you just have to go to the speed section, and then you can speed out the video, or you can slow it down. Okay, so after that, you will then just have to click on the check mark, and then next we are going to add video effects. Okay, so just have to click on a specific clip or video, and then you just have to go to the effects section. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. So let me just adjust the other clip before we proceed to the next one. So let's go here and then go to the video effects. Now we can go to the trending category, pro category, opening and closing category, or nightclub category. So for this one, I'm just going to use a very simple video effect on the trending section. So I'm going to use the leak 2. So if you have subscribed to a pro plan, you can use the pro effects on your videos. Okay, so I think this would do. So you just have to edit the rest of the video. So I'm just going to save it for now. And then here, let's proceed to our product. So let's go back here in Amazon. Okay, so here it is. So now let's open a new tab, and then you just have to go to our YouTube account. Now once you're on your YouTube studio, you just have to go to our content and go to the short section. Here, just going to upload the video that we have edited using CapCut. Okay, so just have to click on the upload videos section. Okay, this one, and then just have to click on select files, and you'd be directed to your folder. So you just have to select the video and then click on open. Okay, that's right. Then after that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then right here, of course, we have to add here the title of the video. Okay, so let's go back to Amazon. So I suggest you're going to use this title. Okay, so the title of the product. Okay, so let me just copy this one. So you just have to copy and paste it here. Okay, and then on the description section, just going to add here a few description about the product. Okay, so you just have to highlight it and then copy and then paste it here. And then of course, we have to instruct our customers that in order for them to buy this product, they have to click a specific link. Okay, so I'm just going to type it right here. Click this link to get this product. Okay, and then after that, we are going to paste here now our Amazon affiliate link. Okay, so since we already have our Amazon associate site Stripe, we just have to click on the tax option. And then we can get the link, the short link or the full link of this product. So you just have to copy the link and then go back to YouTube and then you just have to paste it here. Okay, so just click on paste. Then after that, you just have to click on next. Okay, and then of course we have to, first we have to complete a one verification. So we can use our video verification or use our valid ID or build a channel history. So the purpose of the one-off verification is that to make our external links clickable. So we have to make sure that we have done this before we proceed to the next process. So after that, you just have to click on next. Okay, so just click on next after this one. Okay, and then here for your save or publish, you just have to select public and then click on publish. Then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then now your YouTube Shorts is ready. So when someone saw this video on YouTube and when they clicked on it, and then they'd be able to see the description as well as the link to this product, and if they're going to buy this one, they'd be directed to that product links, and then when they purchase it, you'll be able to get your commission. And then if you are having trouble on how to create a script, okay, you have to remember that we can actually create a script using the ChatGPT. So here, just have to open your ChatGPT and then log into your account. And then what you're going to do here is you just have to copy the description of that product because we are going to use this one to create a script. Then go back here in ChatGPT and then just have to type out, help me create a script using this description. Okay, or help me to create a script for my YouTube Shorts using this description. Okay, and then just have to paste here the description of the product. Then after that, you just have to click on enter, and then a ChatGPT will generate the script for you. So you just have to use this one for an effective YouTube Shorts. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.